gate change. Cebu Pacific flight 586.
Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. This is Mactan Cebu International Airport. Right now 2:15 p.m. Our goal is we like to reach today Bantayan Island. For that we need to reach Hagnaya port before 6:30 because 6:30 p.m. the last ferry leaves from Hagnaya port to Bantayan Island. We don't have much time. We took a taxi to Cebu North Bus Terminal. It cost us 600 pesos. This is the famous Marcelo Fernan Bridge. From the airport, almost 15 minutes time to reach the Cebu North Bus Terminal. The bus terminal located Bayfront Hotel opposite side. You have to be very careful while crossing the road. This is the SM North Bus Terminal. From here, we have to take a bus to Hagnaya port. The bus terminal not so big, so you can find your bus to your destination very easily. The port, Hagnaya port. This one.
You want aircon? Aircon? Ordinary.
It's fine.
Aircon?
How much difference?
30 pesos the difference.
Okay, I'll take the aircon.
Aircon.
This one. The bus was very comfortable. There is no doubt about it. Almost like 3 o'clock. We just leave from the bus station. We have a 3.5 hours to reach the place. For the Hagnaya port, 250 pesos for the bus ticket. It is only 110 km from this place to Hagnaya port. Since we are going out of the city, there is no traffic. Until this part, I didn't know they have a celebration today. It is called Sinulog festival. This festival very famous in Philippines. So we got stuck in the traffic. And we rerouted in a different direction. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. So this point I realized I'm not going to catch the last ferry in Hagnaya port. So the halfway mark we run into the festival crowd. Since it is air conditioned bus, we cannot open the window. At the same time, outside was raining, but the festival crowd doesn't care about anything. They enjoy their festival. Looks like everybody in the town dancing on the road. It looks so fantastic, but unfortunately, I couldn't get a good shot because of the rain. I wish there is no rain. At the same time, I wish I was supposed to be in that group. Both the things not happen. It is almost like 5:35. Still we are traveling. Along the way, the scenery was very good. There is no doubt about it. When we reached the Hagnaya port, it is 6:45. We missed the last ferry. So we decided to eat the lunch right now. We found a restaurant nearby the port. It was quite good. The food was great. There is no doubt about it. This shop run by mother and daughter. They are very cool and friendly. There's a port. Okay. So if you have a nearby any bank,
It's far away from here.
how about ATM?
ATM sa 7-Eleven.
In the 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
7-Eleven is 24 hours?
Yeah, 24 hours.
Okay. What is your name?
Ligaya.
Jaya?
Yeah.
How about you?
Rizal.
Riza. This
That's my
shop?
daughter.
What is the shop name?
Sinulogan.
You can pause the video, check out the menu. We order rice, lumpia spring roll, spicy chicken adabo, pork belly and scrambled egg, 2 Pepsi. All these things cost me 280 pesos. Even though we missed the ferry, we stuck one night in Hagnaya port, but the luck on our side, they have the performance for the Sinulog festival. The only thing is there is not much light to capture the video, so I use my flashlight to get a good quality.
Thank you. Thank you.
One more thing, this port have a 7-Eleven. It is operating 24 hours, so don't worry about the food. You can buy so many things over here. And there is a ATM in the 7-Eleven. This is the only ATM in this port. There is no bank in this area. The 7-Eleven was maintained very properly, and almost everything you need available over here. That is a very good thing.
Stay one night. How much is this for one night?
Aircon.
1 2 aircon.
We found a place. It is a house. They're renting their room. There is no name board. They asked me 1200 pesos is fine for us because we are 2 people. It comes with air condition. Such a simple room. That is enough for us to stay tonight. Basic toilet and bathroom. There is no hot water. For a day we can manage it, no problem with that. It comes with a balcony, so you can enjoy the sunrise and sunset. From here, the port is just 50 meters, just opposite side. Today is a cloudy day, there is not much sunlight. If you really want a good accommodation, it is available in this port. You need to go from here 500 meter. If you go 500 meter, you will get a very nice resort. The resort name is Hagnaya Beach Resort. There, the room costs you 3000 pesos per day. It comes with a very good swimming pool, fantastic restaurant, and complimentary breakfast. This port area developing very fast. Maybe after 5 years, it looks much better. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.